plug on a Salue Spa Hawaii by Best Way we got from Amazon. It's got this heater pump here with the 3 inlets and outlets, whatever you want to call them. But that's what she looks like. But we got a burnout plug. Yeah, not good. So we're gonna throw a new one on there, and some moisture must have got in there, something. It's ugly. Took the old one off. There's just 4 Phillips head screws on the back, and that just pops off, and this is where your wire is going to be. Luckily on this, from the factory, they had it all tied up nice here with the white, green, and black wires, and I'm just going to reuse this part here. It also comes in the kit, but I'm just going to reuse what I got here. See, it has a spot for white, ground, and black. Matches up to the cables that we got here. Just slide right in and screw them down. All right, now we got that little bracket on there. I actually reused the same one that was already on there. That is kind of a little bit longer and covered the screws up a little bit more, so went ahead and reused that. Getting this cover back on and then testing it out, fingers crossed. Not gonna lie, I'm not super impressed with the quality on this plug, but I decided to use some channel locks to actually compress this down to get that seam to line up. So hopefully this will work. And even with the channel locks, the seam still doesn't seem to line up quite right. It's not as snug as I would like it, but I guess that's what you get for 15 bucks on Amazon. But anyway, all right, we are plugged in. I don't smell anything burning. Nope, not yet. I think we're good. Got the plug on. Slowly, my girl is ready to get back in this damn thing. It's been down for a couple weeks because, you know, I'm lazy. All right, there we go. She's working. She's cold down here. We got, for good measure, I bought this little junction box from Amazon that'll just go on here, and kind of like a tackle box, but it'll just keep everything kind of snug. It's got plugs on it. Put the rubber pieces back on, but that should definitely keep some moisture out. I'll probably wrap the ends with some electrical tape too, just to keep it out. And this thing, man, I might have stripped out the cheap plastic, so that kind of sucks, but I'll just tape it up and call it good for my house. Little junction box makes me feel a lot safer about my setup, so I recommend that too. But everything's working, just slowly getting everything up to temp, and thanks for watching.